Hi there, welcome to my trades today. And today I've got two juicy trades that we're into and some that we managed to catch in the week as well. So today is quite cool because I have every market in one basket. So I've got some cryptocurrency, I've got some oil with me, I got some a forex pair, AUDUSD, and I got some in this business, which is a US30. So kicking it off with a Bitcoin. We had it this week, right? So first things first, you know what we're looking for. We keep it easy. We're looking for divergence. We're looking to go with the trend all the time. Market sentiment is to open a certain way, and then we jump in according to whether we had seen divergence earlier or we had seen a trend situation forming up. So looking at Bitcoin here, we got, this is the week, right? So it's Friday into Thursday into Wednesday into Tuesday and then into Monday. So I got some divergence situation happening here on a Tuesday, if you're with me here. So divergence happening on Tuesday, and then I did not catch this action, right? But I know that, okay, if it's serious about going down, I'm going to catch it in the trend. So yesterday, there we go, market sentiment opened negative, and then we just came from a divergence. So this is a good sign that we are selling, right? So day opening was good as well, and then still price came to take a day opening right over here as well again. So again, giving us another inner divergence clue inside, right? We've got inner divergence happening at this point, so which actually is an extra confirmation that now price is really going to fall. So yesterday, as you can see, the price was 11,380. This is the Bitcoin, and right now the price is on 10,260. So that's a cool 1,000 points drop. That's 1,000 pips in just a day, right? So this was some Bitcoin action. Only managed to get about, I think we managed to exit here around 800 or so. So managed to get a cool 300 pips in there, but it doesn't pay much on the platform as well. I'm yet to find the platform that really pays on the Bitcoin, right? So anyway, moving on to oil as well, same thing happened. I had a divergence situation going on. I'm going with the trend. Market sentiment opened negative yesterday, right? Market sentiment opened negative yesterday, and then we know we're looking for sell opportunities here. So what is that? It was a cool 100 pips, but it went all the way to 140 pips. So they opened, then price went down. It was painless, it was easy. Price just, as you can see, it's just red candles only, right? So it's all about being in line with the market makers, right? That's what's up. So next up, I've got some AUDUSD, the Aussie against the dollar, right? This one is looking at me right now. As you can see, we already have a stop loss exactly on 100 pips. What happened? Remember, we just discussed Bitcoin, that we had a divergence situation, right, on Tuesday. Now this is AUDUSD. We have a diverging situation on Tuesday. That's interesting, because this is a forex pair and that's crypto markets, but then the same thing happened, right? Anyway, divergence happens. We did not catch it in the divergence business there, right? Even though market sentiment opened negative, but we managed to catch it in the trend. So as you can see, as soon as the day opened, price went, market sentiment was negative, so price went low. I'm looking for a good sell entry here, going down with it, right? So from here to currently right now, we're sitting on 120 pips, but you can see our stop loss is just there chilling on exactly 100 pips. So that's what's up. We did not catch it in divergence, and then we managed to just jump in the trend and still go down with it. So it's been 3 days in the trade. Now today is the third day, and still we managed to get a 400. And as well, it might still go lower, or whatever it does, we already have our 100 secured already. And last but not least, right, using the same concept, we've got indices, right? So I've got some US30 action here. This is magnificent, right? This is very awesome. So what are we looking at, right? Same thing every time. Divergence are going with the trend. So we got some divergence that happened here yesterday, right? Divergence happened yesterday, and then I gave out the signal just a few minutes before this candle closed, just a few minutes before 12 o'clock. But okay, we're going low on US30, we're going low on Nasdaq, we're going low on US500 as well. But I like this one the most because it actually did all the things that I actually want. I had divergence yesterday, market sentiment open negative. I'm jumping in the trend, right? So I want you guys to notice something, that these trades, as soon as you enter, they don't really go too much out of the money. So it's all about getting the juicy entry all the time, right? As soon as you enter, you know that price starts shifting. So I also sometimes get worried when I enter a trade and then it starts trying to hit new levels. It freaks me out because I think, okay, I might have just have gotten it wrong somehow. And it only takes just a small detail for actually the whole pattern to be messed up. So we follow rules, we follow the patterns, and that's what's up. So anyway, we've got some divergence situation that happened here. Divergence, and then we know, okay, I didn't catch you on a divergence situation. As you see, market sentiment that opened positive, right? But we did not catch this action. Instead, we know that if you're serious about falling, we'll catch you in the divergence, right? So from there up until now, we are sitting on around 6,500 points. This is the US30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly make sure that I manage to get at least even a good $400, 450, 28031. So I want to move my stop loss. As you can see, we double up. Stop loss 28031. That's good. Okay, there we go. Stop loss 28031. There we go. Okay, there we go. So as you can see here, I managed to move my stop loss quickly, right from our entry there to this point. As you can see here, this is 440 points, 430 points, which is very good because this is 4,000 points on our normal forex pairs. So it covers a lot of trades, and as you can see, it's still going, but we have secured our money already. So we follow smart money all the time. Just keep your trading simple. Go with the trend or catch it in divergence. Go with the trend, catch it in divergence. You will never go wrong. So consistency is the only currency that matters here. I'll be back later on next week with some of trades that we would have caught as well, and then we'll keep on doing the same thing over and over again. Catch it in divergence or go with the trend. Check out market sentiment. If it's negative, we're jumping in bed with that trade. So that's what's up. I'll catch you guys next week. Consistency is the only currency that matters, right? We need more blues than reds, right? So this is what's up. Indices, forex pairs, commodities, anything that you can think of, right? The formula is the same over and over again. So thank you very much for watching, and catch you on my next trade.